Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making for you some breadfruit, ackee and saltfish with boiled dumpling and boiled potato. Right here I've got some plantains. I'm going to be doing some fried plantains. Yeah, and in this bowl I've got some onions chopped, some black pepper and chili flakes, some scotch bonnet pepper with thyme, some fresh tomato cut up, some green bell pepper aka sweet pepper, and I've got my ackee in a tin, guys. Can't get fresh ackee here, so we substitute for the one in the tin. We've got some flour right there to make my dumplings. There's my breadfruit. It's in the air fryer. I'm doing it in the air fryer, guys, because I don't want to do it outside. There's my saltfish. I'm going to be boiling that about 2 times. I've got my flour here that I've made. In my blender I've got my soursop. I'm going to be blending this up for you. Blend. Yeah, I'm going to be straining it and sweeten it. In my blender I'm going to add my guineas with my condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla and cinnamon, and I'm going to just whiz that up in the blender for a little just to mix it up, saving time. There you can see me squeezing the soursop, guys. Squeezing out all the juice and mixing it around in my bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Yum, yum, yum. That's my soursop juice right there in the bowl. I'm pouring in the one that I just mixed with the vanilla, the cinnamon and the nutmeg, guys. And you're just going to mix it up and that's it. Give it a little bit of mix, a little bit of a stir. Please give the video a like, guys. Thank you. Here I'm going to be pouring in my Guinness. So that's your Guinness stout. The Guinness is optional, guys. You don't have to use the Guinness, but the Guinness is very nice inside as well. So you can add a Guinness or two depending on your taste, because the Guinness might be bitter, a little bit bitterish. So depending on your taste, you can add the Guinness that you like. But yeah, that's me stirring away. Stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. And mix and mix and stir and mix. And that's it right there. Now I'm gonna be frying my plantain. You can see me frying my plantain, looking nice and yummy. Scrumdiddlyocious. Nice plantain. Plantain, doesn't matter how you say it, it's okay. I'm boiling up my water now for my ackee, guys. I like to boil my ackee, even though they said it's already cooked. I like to boil it a bit. So I make the water come to a boil before I put it in. There you can see it's boiling away, probably about a minute or two. Then set it aside. Then that's my dumpling. If you want to see how to make dumpling, go back to my earlier videos and you will see how to make dumpling. Right there I'm putting in my black pepper and chili flakes into my saltfish that's been cooked up with my bell peppers and tomatoes and onions. So you put in your black pepper. Chili flakes is optional. I like chili flakes, as you can tell by now. So I mix it up, stir it up before I put my ackee inside. So that's just frying up a little bit, and then I'm going to add my ackee last. There's my ackee right there, nice and golden and fresh from the island of Jamaica. You put your ackee in. You don't want to stir the ackee too much, guys, because the ackee is easily mashed out or go mushy. So you don't want to stir it like a hard stir. So if you can see, I'm stirring as gentle as I can. Stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. Please give the video a like. Nice, short, spicy video here for you. Ackee and saltfish with breadfruit, roast breadfruit, then fried, boiled dumpling and potato, Jamaica style. And there you have it, guys. Voila! That's the finished dish, the finished product. How is it looking? Do you want a plate? You can have a plate if you want a plate. Pull up a chair, have a seat, and I'll dish you some. And that's my soursop juice being poured out into the glass. Nice soursop juice to wash down all of that goodness on that plate. Can I tell you guys how yummy it was? It was so yummy. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like. Bye.